Hello everybody, this is Dan Evans. I'm coming to you from Nantes, and I hope all of you are well and healthy. I'd like to share with you a little bit of information about the upcoming sessions in our course on macroeconomics, and hopefully answer any questions you may have about the next few sessions. I will be updating you as things progress, as there are some uncertainties about the next steps. But what I'm going to do here is show you some ways we will probably be moving forward. So let me get rid of my video here, and we'll just go to the screen and take a look and see what exactly we'll be doing together. So first off, we've completed most of the class, and there's only a few things left to do. We had scheduled to do sessions 8 and 9 next week, covering issues of unemployment, inflation, and money and banking. What I'd like you to do is go to the Blackboard website and look at the materials at that website for the course. On the Blackboard website, you'll find numerous tidbits of information. As you know, we have the welcome page, which is here. We've got various practice quizzes, which you've already used, and I will continuously update the practice quizzes. The course slides are available as always, and you can look at your grades. I am creating special sections on the Blackboard website, and the first is called Coronavirus Session 1. And on this site, you will see various pieces of information that are useful. You'll see an overview of what I would like you to do for our next session. You'll find videos, and they'll be placed here. You'll find the chapter textbook. You can download it here in a PDF format. And you'll see questions that I'd like you to prepare because we'll be having a live video session where you can ask questions, but we'll resolve these questions. So you see for each subchapter, for example, unemployment, you'll have a video. You'll have part of a textbook, and you'll have some questions for reflection that we'll talk about in a live session. So let's go back to what this live session is going to be all about. So on the Blackboard site, you can go, and what I'd like you to do is look at that material on the Blackboard site before Friday, the 20th of March, which is this coming Friday in 1 week's time. On Friday the 20th, we will try to have a live session called a virtual classroom. And in that virtual classroom, we'll discuss the questions that I've placed in Blackboard on that special page. And we'll also discuss any questions that you might have about the material. Again, this is a tentative schedule. Normally, everything should be ready for the live session on the 20th of March. And the videos I'm creating today, and I'll be placing them on the special coronavirus page, Session 1. Session 2 will be about the next coronavirus special session. We'll cover sessions 10 to 12, which were scheduled for the class. And we'll be attacking the subjects of aggregate demand and supply, monetary and fiscal policy. And you see those subjects below. What I'd like you to do is watch the videos and visit the Blackboard page and do the required material before April 7th. On April 7th, we'll have a live session. And that'll last from 9 to 10:30, and again we'll talk about the materials from those sessions. In terms of your economic briefings, again, congratulations. I love seeing them come through the email, and you're doing a good job. So please continue to submit the briefings as scheduled. Some of you have briefings to do in the following few days. Please take time to do that and submit them on time. Now, a big question is going to be about grades. So normally we have 2 more quizzes to go. I'm grading the last quiz you took, but we also have 2 more quizzes to come. What I will be doing is I will be combining those 2 quizzes into one 30-question quiz instead of a 20-question quiz. And that'll take place on April 7th after we have the live session. Now, to make this work, all of you need to connect to the live session independently, and all of you need to have your computers available to take the quiz. Once we have finished the virtual classroom session and answered any questions you may have, we will do the quiz just like we do in class. However, it will be done either using Blackboard, the quiz part, or Socrative, which you've already tried in class and have an experience. So we may use Socrative as a way for you to take the quiz. The quiz will cover the materials since the previous quiz, obviously. The special sessions 1 and 2. What we'll do is we'll have 20 questions on labor markets, unemployment, inflation, money and banking, and 10 questions on aggregate demand. Now, again, it's very important that you connect to the live session on the 7th of April independently. And I'll be checking to make sure that you're alone using your webcam. So if you're sitting next to somebody, I will see it because I'll ask you to show me and to turn your webcams to see if anybody else is around. So that's how we'll proceed. You have some readings to do, you have videos to watch, you have problems to solve. Lastly, we'll have a quiz to make sure we finish off the grade. So I hope that's been clear for you. If you have any questions about this, please send me an email. I will be placing the videos online as soon as they're finished. And if there's any change to the schedule, specifically the live session coming up next Friday, because I know it's on short notice, I'll let you know via email. I wish you all the best. Please stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Take care. I almost forgot. So here, I thought I was done, but I'm not. So I almost forgot. I want to share with you a summary agenda so it's very clear in your minds what we're going to do over the next few weeks. So very quickly, we'll have a live session probably on the 20th, and that covers the videos that I have been placing on Blackboard as well as the readings, and we'll discuss the problems that are on Blackboard. The following week there'll be more practice quizzes to do on that material, and you can watch the videos for the next session, which will be placed on Blackboard. Same for the following week. And then on Tuesday the 7th we'll have the live session at 9 o'clock, followed by the individual quiz. And please submit your briefings as scheduled. Now I can say we're done, and please stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.